like to keep your ripe plantains fresh for long? Are you tired of wasting your plantains? Would you like to eat fresh plantain every time you want to eat? Are you tired of freezing your plantain? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to keep your plantains fresh for long without refrigeration or any kind of freezing. Welcome to the Wellness Patron channel, beautiful people. My name is Daniela Akwaku, and in today's series, we are looking at food preservation, and our major focus is on plantain. Day 1, get your fresh plantain, get a big bucket of water, submerge your ripe plantain into them. I use the small bucket, but you might want to use a bigger bucket, and make sure your plantain are well submerged in it. And that's it. So I was doing this research. I've been doing this research for like 5 days now. This is my second day. All you need to do is just change the water, put in fresh water, submerge your plantain right back into it, and your plantains will remain fresh. It will remain looking really fresh and ready to eat. Make sure you use a bigger bucket. During the course of my research, I found out that any part that I left out became soggy. So try not to be like me. Make sure you have a bigger bucket and keep changing the water. If you're not tired, keep changing them. This is my day 2. On day 3, you can see this is day 3. My plantains are still looking fresh. They are not soggy, and I'm pretty excited about this. So all I need to do, I get my daughter to change the water for me. That's just it. Change the water and submerge your plantain right back into it. Your plantain will not go bad, it will not go black, it will remain fresh, I promise you. I've got a lot of helpers here. All of you, put your hand in. Day 4, wow, so this is day 4. You can see my plantains are still looking fresh. They have not gone bad. They have not gone bad. They are still looking fresh. I touched them, they are still hard, and I could use it now, but I'm not ready to use it. I want to use it on day 5. So change your water again, submerge your plantains right back into it, and that is just it. Make sure you have a bigger bowl, make sure your plantain are well submerged, and then fill in with clean water. Oh, so today is the day I get to cook my plantain. I want to see how it will look after 5 days of being ripe and submerged in water. So I'm going to change the water right now. I'm going to bring them out, change my water, and bring out like a finger or two to fry, so that you can see how fresh and strong they are looking after 5 days submerged in water. It's not go black. So change your water and submerge your plantain right back into it. Now is day 5. I want to bring out some fingers. I want to bring out 2 fingers of plantain and fry them. So I'm going to get 2 fingers out and leave the rest back in the water because I don't want to use all. I just want to use 2. So Here is our plantain. You can see it did not go black, never went soggy. It's still looking strong. It's ready for me to fry. Cut them up. I'm just going to fry them so you can see how they are looking. Any part that is not looking well, cut them out. So you can see my plantains, my ripe plantains are ready to eat. After 5 days of being preserved in fresh water, you can see it's looking strong, it's looking fresh, ready to add into my rice, into my beans, into any food I want to eat. Don't you just love this? Thank you very much. I hope you have learned a thing or two. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and leave your comments below and let me know your feedback. Thank you, and God bless.